Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be with all of us. In advance, thank you all who have taken the time to watch this video. On this occasion, I will present material about leadership. So, before we start the presentation, allow me introduce myself. My name is Santi Salama, NVM 212151070 from class 2021B, majoring in mathematics education. As we know that leadership traits are very important to be applied to every individual human being. Because of what? Because we will become a leader. Be it a leader in our own business or a leader in our own family. Then what is the difference between a leader and leadership? Well, a leader is a person who encourages or moves other people to want to work together to achieve predetermined goals. Meanwhile, leadership is the ability to influence and move others to achieve predetermined goals. So, it can be concluded the leader and leadership are different. The leader is the person, while leadership is the nature of the person. Then three are things that a leader must have. The first is communication skill. A good leader must be able to communication well. Good communication skills are very necessary to establish good relationship between leaders and their subordinates. Then the second one is management. A leader must have good management skills. He must be able to plan everything carefully. The plan must also be in accordance with a systematical arranged plan. He should also always have a backup plan, so that when the first plan fails, he has a workaround for it. Then the next one is equality. So what does the equation equality? A leader does have a higher position than his subordinates, but that does not mean he has the right to dominate. A leader must be able to treat everyone around him the same way, so people will respect him and try to carry out his order. Then the next one is working together. To work together here, a good leader must be able to maintain the relationship between him and his subordinates. He must also ensure that he has established good cooperation between him and his subordinates. Then three is motivation and determination. A good leader must have motivation. He must also be able to motivate others. We must have great determination and desire so that these subordinates believe in him and are able to follow his order. The next is enthusiasm. The purpose of enthusiasm is that a good leader must have good enthusiasm and great enthusiasm. These people around him be inspired and motivated by his enthusiasm. Then the next one is leadership model or style. The first one is authoritarian. An authoritarian style of leader means then he is very busy and passes his power to his subordinates. Then the second is laissez-faire, meaning that the leader gives freedom to his subordinates. Then three is the democratic, namely the leader who is in the middle between forcing his will and giving leeway to his subordinates. Now the next is situational, namely the leader who looks more at the situation, meaning that when to be crouch and when to be moderate, and in what situation the leader must give freedom to his subordinates. Then conclusion from the material present earlier is, according to Giles, there is not bad leadership style and no leadership that is always right for all situations. Now, before closing the presentation in this video, I will give an opportunity for those who want to ask about the material about leadership. Here there is already a questionnaire, namely Raisa Rahmanur Haliza. To Raisa, welcome.
Before that, Thanks for your explanation. I want to ask, is it effective if a leader use only one type in his leadership? Thank you.
Well, thanks to Raisa who has submitted the question. I will try to answer the question from a leader is expected to display a leadership style in all situations depending on the condition and situation and to which subordinates he leads. A leader who only displays one style will be least effective. So that's my presentation. I'm sorry if there are mistakes in anything because I or we are still learning together. Hopefully, the material in the video is usable for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.